In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for contacts within SalesPype. Now, the first route I'm going to show you is just going to our contact page. And on this page, you have several different advanced filtering options. So you can search for contacts based off of the campaign that they're on, what stage in your sales process, a particular tag that you've assigned to them, or the lead source. Now, selecting any of these is going to narrow down your list for you. The other option you have, of course, is simply to do a search. So let's say we're trying to find someone with the last name Grimm. Type that in, and it's going to populate those specific contacts for you. Now, one more route is to simply use our search feature at the top of the screen here. You type in a prospect's name or email, and there we go. It's going to populate the results right down here. So a couple of quick and easy ways to search for a contact in our system. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care.